My name is Maite.
My name is Sophie.
Today we are gonna be making slime. We already have glue in our bowls and our sticks.
And we are going to be using paint and glitter and beads and
So let's get started. So now we're gonna choose our colors. I'm gonna choose this matte blue.
I'm going to choose this violet color.
So if you guys use a lot of paint, then it could get hard. So I'm only going to use a little bit and then start mixing. Right now it looks like a sky color. I guess that's okay.
Mixing, and now we are going to put activator. So put a little bit of activator when you're mixing, because if you put a lot, it will not turn, it does turn hard. Like a rock. So you don't want that. But when it gets all chunky, then you can start grabbing it with your hands. Already like chunky, like mine's, but some of this is still useless. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of the activator, so it could get a little bit more chunky. I'm just put some on the sides to make that. So now we are going to be putting some good. So now we're going to be mixing it with our hands, and we will see you when we're done mixing it with our hands.
So hey guys, we're back and this is how our slime came out. Mine came out like this.
Out like this,
and
we're going to take out the bowl.
I mean it's good. So now we are going to be putting glitter and beads. So I am going to be putting so I'm going to be putting this little greenish, bluish glitter. So
And I will be putting this with stars in it, gold and some more stars.
Sure.
So this is the one I was going to be putting. And so any other blue stuff. And then we taking the blue beads. So I want the other color blue beads.
So you're going to spread some out from here.
So I'm just putting the blue beads because I don't want the other, because there's other colors that I don't want.
And to be taking out the purple beads.
Like,
Or to be taking out all the purple beads. Like
some of this
all around.
this glitters. So I'm done, and this is how it came out. So I'm gonna be mixing it when so I'm gonna be mixing it
From the middle. And I'm going to be taking a little more beads.
So this is how my slime came out. This is how my slime came out. It's very beautiful. And it looks like
That's how my slime came out.
mine looks like a Christmassy colorish, and hers looks like it looks like yogurt.
No, not yogurt. It is
So now we
little
are-
stars.
So now we are gonna be mixing it.
You can see the little bit.
You can't see it very well,
But we will need more.
or
Or a bit of
this is how it looks.
That's how mine look.
Let's see who can make the biggest bubble.
This. It will be for shiny.
It will be for sure. Ready, set it, go.
Hey! You made a little.
Let's see. Ready,
Wait. Ready? Go!
ready, go.
Hey!
I made it.
I still feel clean.
So that is the end of the video. So we will see this video. Give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button. Bye.
Bye!